If you are running an e-commerce store or print-on-demand store, then you know how expensive and long it is to create a different product designs with your visuals. For example, if you have the tank top, t-shirts, hoodies, or the mugs that needs the different designs to be printed, then it is really expensive and the time taking to creating your design on the products. So in this video I'm going to show you how I have created the 100 plus product mockups within just few minutes using the dynamic mockups here, and within the next few minutes I will show you how I have replaced the Photoshop to creating the professional product images within just few minutes. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the dynamic mockups, and here you are going to find the templates that you can use to create or add the design on your different products, whether it's the t-shirts, hoodies, wall art, mugs, sweatshirts, pillows, your mobile cases or the blankets. And the best part, you can also add your own different product that is not in this category here. So with the different angles, the different effects, the lighting, you can add your logos here. So right now if I go to a t-shirt, we have so many mockup designs available. All I need to simply select the mockup designs on I want to add my design here. For example, let me go with this one or this one and this one here. Okay, so I have selected designs, then after that I will just add the selected, and now it will be added in my template. So now what I can do, I can simply click here on the edit this template here, and you have to simply add your artwork, means your design. So you can see I have already added my artwork, but if you want to add, you have to go to upload artwork, and after that their designs will be show up here. So I'm going to select this one here. Now simply click here on the add artwork, and now this will be added here on this model design here. So I have selected that, and you can see boom, it is added, and it is perfectly added. No one can. This is the software added on the product mockup. So this is the power of dynamic mockup, and I have just showed you just glimpse of it. You can also change the color of t-shirt right now here. For example, right now this is the white color. Suppose you want to make it the black, so select the black here, and now the t-shirt color will be the black here. Okay, so let me go to this is the shirt color. Okay, so I'm going to select add color, and then I will add the black color, and now the t-shirt color will be changed here. Okay, see, boom, how it is easy and cool. You can add the different colors here to create the styles. Right now this is the black color. I want to add the little bit pink, simply add, and now the t-shirt color will be changed to the pink. This is so much easy and can save you tons of the time. You don't need to pay the expensive pricing to the designers. You don't need to waste so many hours while designing the colors, the different variants or the different styles. Okay, so I added that. Now what I can do, this is only the single artwork I have given, but I can also add the more ones. For example, this is the one. If I click here on the plus, we have the other artworks as well. So I will select any of that. Simply click here on the add artwork, and now this will be the adding here. So with a single click you can just also check out which artworks look good on your design and the model. And once everything is done, you can either export it with the different formats and the sizes, or you can directly integrate with your store. So it has the ST store integration, and there's also the Amazon, ST, Shopify, WooCommerce, all these integrations available. So I'm going to show you how you can also integrate. Let me go to the dashboard, and if I go to this one, that is the here on the let me go to the so if I go to this in the integrations section, you can see this is the WordPress. I have added only the WordPress here. So simply click here on the content, and now it will show you the process how you can just connect with your WordPress. You have to download this plugin, and that will be done. And not only that, there's also the embed editor. So what this embed editor will do, it is going to add a editing section for the mockups where customers can actually add their own design and see in the real time how their design will look like on the product. So this is the thing I have just showed you while creating the mockup in the template section. The same thing your buyers can do on your own website using this embed editor. There's also the API. There's the Adobe Photoshop, means if you have the PSD design mockup, you can also upload it here, and then the do the changes here. So this way not only you are just creating the from the scratch, but you can also creating your own. And there's also the one more feature I want to talk about, that is the mock anything AI. Suppose your product design is not available here and you want to do it. For example, I want to create a design on the something, let's go with a jogger here. So let me create a jogger for men with mockup design here. So simply you have to add your requirement in the same plain text. Make sure you enable the auto enhance prompt and simply click here on the enter. Now it will take some time, around the 30 to 60 seconds, but in the end you will get your mockup design with your artwork or design or the graphics. You can make the changes and get your design to be downloaded. Okay, so let's wait, and in the end I will show you. You can also upload your own product and model images here. Okay, so simply click here, and now you can see this is the just for the demo I have downloaded a mobile skin mockup here. Okay, so once the jogger design is done, I will go with this one, and boom, you can see my jogger is added here with the option to adding the logo. So right now if you have the model, you can change their looking style, you can change their gender, you can change their hairstyle, and even the age, like youngster or the older. So that is the also option you are getting. So then we can also change the poses. So right now this is the pose, I can also change it with this one. Then we have the scenes. Okay, I want to change the background, I can do that here. This is the angle. So once everything is done, you can add your design and the color. So right now this is the processing image, so it can be the used to adding my design in this image here. Okay, so again it can take some time, but less than generating the image. So I have to select this jogger, I have selected that. Now it will analyze this image and make it highlight to adding the my color and the logo here. So you can say this is the logo, I can make it move anywhere. So let's here, it's good. Now I can change the color of this jogger. So right now it's in the white, but I can make it the black. Let me go to the black, select that, and okay, haven't anything is done. Okay, this is for the artwork, not for the jogger. So I can change to the artwork and upload my own artwork here. So let me upload any of these, and now this is changed here. You can see I can replace, I can move anywhere. Okay, so right now it's the multiply, I will go with the normal. We have also the linear blur, we have the overlay, and we have also the screen. I think the linear blur looks fine here. Okay, so let's see, I can add any colors. No, let me make it highlight more, shadows more. Okay, so this is just I'm giving the demo, and once everything is done, you can simply download from here. Okay, so that's how its AI mockup generator will work out for you. Then there's the one more core feature I like so much here, that is the creating the batch mode. Suppose you want to add your design on the different products at once, so this will going to create the 100 product mockups within just few minutes. So simply click here on the create batch, and now you have to simply select the products on that you want to add your design of the your graphics at once. Like I want to add on the tank top, I want to add on a t-shirt, I want to add on this t-shirt as well. Then I want to add in a hoodie, let's go with this one. I want to add on the mugs, select this one. I want to add on the pillow, select this one. I want to also add on this bags here. Then in the phone cases, okay, so I have added. Then in the blanket I have also added this one, and I have also my templates available that I have used to creating my previous mockups. Okay, so I will also select this one and this one. So once all this selected, you can see there are the 11 mockups I have selected, but you can select more than 100 plus at once. Okay, then after that simply click here on the artwork. You have to select your artwork and the design, click here on the add artwork, and now at once all of your products you have selected, your design will be applied. Right now you can see this is the my tank top design, this is the my phone case cover. Okay, it is loading. For processing and loading it can take few seconds, so please wait. So then this is the my bag here, and design will be soon appearing up. Yeah, so that's how I have just created 100 plus product mockups within just few minutes using the dynamic mockups here without needing any Photoshop designer or wasting so much time. So right now, if I talk about dynamic mockup pricing, it is starting from this is the pricing plan, $15 a month for the pro. Okay, and if you want more than this credit limits, you have to go for the custom here. Okay, so what if you can just buy with this single time without needing to pay this monthly, and you can access unlimited. Okay, so there's the lifetime deal is going on, and the AppSumo starting from the just $59, and look at the credits you are getting, 100 credits per month, and this is the sufficient for any individual. But there is the few limitations. You will not get the embed mockup editor that you can embed on your website to showing up your customers to add their own customized designs. Okay, but all the features you will get it here. So that's why I suggest go with at least the tier 2 plan. There you will get all the API and the embed mockup editor. And if you want to white label the your services for the product designing, you can also go for the tier 3 plan. Okay, so all the tier plans I have discussed what are the difference, and that's all for today's video. And talk about this dynamic mockups platform is so good that without needing any designer or without wasting my time on the Photoshop, I can just instantly create the product design and the mockups. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.